everyone, I am Marie and today I am making prayer pockets. I am going to make these pockets for a few of my friends. If you want to know how to do it, keep watching. Let's get started. I am not going to give any measurements because that depends on how big or small you want your pocket to be. Mine is going to be about 5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fabric on top of each other, and I'm gonna slash them. So on top of each other, and there we go. So now what I have to do is be careful and make squares with all the pieces. All right, like let's say I leave the one underneath, and then I get that one out and put the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to see where all my cuts are. Yours is going to be different. And I know that if you know a little bit about paper piecing, you can kind of see it, but you have to see it in stages. Like, I will sew these two together, then I have to sew these 3 or 4, I think I have to do these 2 first, then no, these 2 first, then this, then that, these 2, then that is going on top of this, and then this as last. I hope you understand. So I'm going to start with these 2 right sides together, and when you're sewing, everything is gonna seem wonky, and of course it's not going to end real square, but bear with me, okay? So now I do want this a little bit straighter, so I'm going to make it straight. This goes up here, and don't forget to let that little ear and this one, that's a 1/4 inch. Alright, so now I'm going to, I have a heart that I made with printer paper. I just took like 5.5 by 5.5 inches square, fold it, and cut a half a heart, and that's my pattern. Now I am going to look which I like best. Okay, about, so I'm going to cut a square. Doesn't have to be precise because you're just going to cut the heart, so it doesn't have to be precise. So I have here some batting. This is very thin. Cut. And there we go. Okay, so this is big enough. Now I am going to stitch in the ditch all these lines, and then I'm going to put my heart on it, trace it with a pen, cut it, and be right back. Alright, so the heart is cut, and now I have a square, 2 squares actually, somewhat bigger, and the 1 square I'm going to fold it to make a triangle. This is going to be the pocket. So I am going to top stitch here now. So, and now this is going to go. So, and this of course is going to be right sides together, and I do it about half, like that, about. So, and now I'm going to stitch all around, but leave an opening to turn. Okay, so about 1.5 inch or so, and it's better to do it on the straight line and not at the curve. All right. All right. So that's sewn. Now I'm gonna cut it. And I have this clover tool. Get into that opening and get all these edges. So that's heart. I have the little cross that's gonna go inside, and please mind this little cross when you're top stitching because it can break your needle. So I just put it like in the middle, and I just hold it there and keep track of it. I'm going to change my thread to gold to top stitch. Alright, so that's all made. I just put some charm thingies here with I love you and a ribbon to finish it up. And here of course you will or you can put a message in here for the one you're giving it to, or maybe your own prayers. So that was that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.